Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Android Studio error called VTX and NX does not support it on your CPU to run Android emulator inside of Android Studio. So let's continue our video and see how can I fix this error. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join me. Okay friends, now you need to open your Android Studio. Then you are going to add a VD menu. That means we are going to add Android emulator to this Android Studio. When you are going to add the emulator to this Android Studio application, you can see your CPU does support NX and VTX. So let's see how can I fix this error. First of all, you need to enter your BIOS. You need to restart your PC and press F2 key when restarting of the PC. Okay friends, now here you can see my PC is restarting. Now I need to press F2 key before restart the computer. You can see it's enter into the BIOS. Okay friends, here you can see I am in the inside of my BIOS menu. This BIOS key may be different. It depends on your PC. In the Windows 10 you need to press F2 key in the restarting process, but in the Windows 10 or below versions of in Windows you need to press F2 key when your screen is going to black. So you need to find this menu at yourself. After the finding of this menu, you need to go to advanced option and go to CPU control. You can go to these options by pressing your keyboard, but your mouse is not working in the BIOS menu in the old computers. So you need to go to the CPU control inside of your BIOS menu. Then you need to find no executable protection option on your BIOS. Then you need to enable this option to disable error in the NX error on the inside of Android Studio. Then you need to find Intel V4 configuration option and you need to enable CPU VTX and enable VTD options in the BIOS menu to disable VTX or VTD errors in the inside of Android Studio. So then you need to press F10 key to save these options and exit from this setup. This key may be different, so you can find it what the option for save in the exit menu. Here you can see you can easily exit saving changes. Click here. Now click enter. Now your device will be restarted. Okay friends, here you can see I have successfully restarted my PC. Then let's try to add the Android emulator once again. Click next. Then you can see this error. If you can see this, you need to install highr. Okay, click next. It's installing. Now click on finish. Click next. Now click on finish option. Now you successfully created your virtual Android device.